Good afternoon, this is Gerardus from Aurora in the Netherlands. Today we will see some articles we import from Colombia about Alstroemeria. Technically there are three qualities of Alstroemeria. It's the Super Select with 120 pieces in a box, the Select with 160 in a box, and the Fancy with 180 in a box. We have the Super Selects with 120 stamps in a box. I'll show you this. Look, it's a bit less quantity in a box, but you can imagine if there is less quantity in a box, the flowers should be bigger. You see, the stamps are also a big, same quality, nice big stamps. Here we have an example of the Select. It is 160 stamps in a box. You open it, you can show you quality, nice big stamps, a bit shorter than the Super Select, but still a good quality.